I'm gonna do a little demo on how to use these jumbo wavers because they are flying off the shelf. So for my hair, I went through and flat iron first because it's really coarse and I have like quite the wave up front and I don't want that as part of my new wave that I'm gonna do. So I went through and lightly flat ironed, nothing crazy. And now I'm gonna do my 3-barrel waver. So this is this jumbo size. I currently have 2 left and 6 more on the way. So what you're gonna do is divide your hair into sections. So I've got section 1, section 2. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this up and out of the way. So when I'm using this iron, I don't want to get right up at the root because it's going to kink it too much. So I'm actually going to go down probably about 2 inches and just let it sit there. And then you'll move it down. And I like to leave my ends out like that. Just a little wave. Section out another section. So I'm taking about 1 inch wide sections. Pick up where you left off. Okay, go about 2 inches down and give it a wave. Leaving my ends out. Just like that. So the end is currently left out, like that. So I have quite the face frame, so I'm going to leave these pieces out. That will be their own little section. Right up front, and I'm not leaving it on for that long. So once I'm done with the section, then I go back through and I pick out just a few little sections, and then I'll do like the middle again just to get it nice and crisp. There you have it.